Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. Have you got a hotel supply store and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business? If you answered yes to that question, you are certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Marty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the platform just yet, we built Marty Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to search for my markers, hotel supply store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select the templates. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region as well. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's change that to retail. Click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites and the platform is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you'd like to display your own images on your website of all the various hotel products that you supply. And you maybe want to make one or two amendments to that content. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or be a web professional at all, or even hire anyone to help you with this process. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box directly underneath it. Whoops. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tick that box. Email is now visible. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is clicked to call, by the way, as well as our physical location, our street address. Great thing about that physical location, when your website is live, your customers can click on it, will automatically take them to Google Maps. Very nifty. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, we're going to go ahead and update our logo. If you want to make any slight amendments to that logo, crop it, rotate it, add filters, frames, click on the little pencil. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Now, with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to make amendments to those colors, change them. No color coding necessary. Click on the little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Over here is where you can browse your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free for you to use. Under Update Action is where you can change that button content that was the text on the button. You can also link your buttons to various places. You can link to another websites as well as an action like click to call directions. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is a great way to upload your catalog or your current promotions and offers in PDF format. Under update content, you can change the content to suit your business needs. This was just written for you as a guideline to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your hotel supply store. Look at that, looks absolutely fantastic. And the last section over here is where you can put in your trading hours. Click on update hours, put in your various trading hours over here so your customers know exactly when your store is open. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. Click on this button over here to connect it. Otherwise, click on the green button to purchase your own domain to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.